Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show to make this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, first one, select this background solid layer and look here. Then select this book layer and go to solo and select this pen behind icon and move the anchor point down a little bit like this. And Clickation tool and solo. So select this head layer, go to solo and again anchor point, move it down and Clickation tool and solo. And let's select this head, link to body layer, select body, go to solo again and move the anchor point down, Clickation tool and solo. And select this layer glasses, eyeball and eye white, eyebrow, cheek and nose, mouth. Let's link to head layer and select this head. Let's press R, let's see. Okay, let's move it up a little bit. Okay, so right now select this eye white and Ctrl D for duplicate. Select this eyeball, move the middle to white layers and click toggle switch mode and go to none. Select alpha matte eye white 2 and select this eye white 2, link to eye white layer, select eye white layer, press S, open scale and click this icon. And right now we can make eye blink animation. Let's make new scale keyframe and go to 3 keyframes. For go to frame by frame, use page down in keyboard. Let's go to 3 keyframes, 1 2 3 and change scale 5. Go to 3 keyframes again, 1 2 3 and select first keyframe, copy paste and select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, so right now I can move this eyeball inside eye white layers like this. Okay, and let's select this head and here press R, make rotation keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. For go to 10 keyframes you can press hold shift and page down in keyboard and change rotation like this. Select keyframes, make easies and go to some keyframes, make new rotation again and again go to 10 keyframes. Let me show next way. For go to 10 keyframes, click time duration and right here plus 10, click OK and change rotation -5. Okay, go to here again, make new rotation, go to 10 keyframes, change 2. This is random keyframes and go to final here, make new rotation keyframe and go to 10 keyframes, change 0. So for add bones, let's go to here and hold shift press P, make new passing keyframe and go to middle, move the down head and go to next keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste and select keyframes, make easies. Select these 3 keyframes, copy and let's animation. Okay, go to here and Ctrl V and here Ctrl V and here. Okay, not bad. So we have problem here with body, but I will fix after make full animation these lines. Okay, so right now select these eye blink keyframes. Let's move to here, let's see. Okay, and right now let's select this eyeball, press P, make new passing keyframe and go to 2 keyframes, 1 2 and move it down like this and make keyframes easies and move to here. Nice. And right now select this book and let's press P, make new passing keyframe, let's move to right and go to here, move to left and hold shift press R, go to back, make rotation keyframe, go to last keyframe, chain rotation like this and select keyframes, make easies. So right now select this eyeball layer and here let's make like this and go to some keyframes, move to left, again go to here, move to right. Let's see. Okay, select these eye blink keyframes. Let's copy, go to here, Ctrl V. And right now let's make new passing keyframe for eyeball. Go to 2 keyframes, 1, 2. And move to right. And select keyframes, move to right. Select these eye blink keyframes, copy and paste. Okay, so right now select this book and make new passing keyframe and rotation. Go to here and let's move to right and change rotation. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Okay, so go to here and make new eyeball keyframes. Go to 5 keyframes, move to left, and here, move to right, and here, move to left. And finally go to here, make new passing keyframe, go to 2 keyframes, and move to center eyeball. And select this eye blink, copy, and here Ctrl V, and here Ctrl V. So let's see full animation. Okay, that's good. So let's select this eyebrow and let's here press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to some keyframes, move to down. Let's move to up a little bit. Okay, and here make new passing keyframe, go to some keyframes, move to up. Okay, here make new passing keyframe again, go to some keyframes and move to down. And here make new again keyframes, go to some keyframes, move up, and here make new keyframe, go to next keyframe, move it down like this. Select keyframes, make easies, and select this cheek layer. Let's press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to here, move to right. Okay, select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, and here make new again cheek keyframe. Go to next keyframe, move to left. Okay, let's move to right these keyframes. And finally again make new keyframe for cheek and go to next keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste. Okay, that's good. So select these foot layers and go to solo. Select anchor points, go to pen behind, move the anchor point up, and right foot, again move the anchor point up, clickation tool, and unsolo. So we can add random keyframes or expression. Select this foot right and left, press R, open rotation, and let's hold Alt, click this time icon, and let's write here wiggle 1, 6, for example. And for done expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Looks good. So select this expression, copy, and let's hold Alt, click time icon, and Ctrl V for paste. Let's see. Nice, not bad. So guys, I want to show how to fix this problem. You can see we have problem with body and head. So select this head, let's Ctrl D for duplicate and go to solo, go to pen tool. Let's make mask like this. Okay, and let's change like this here. So let's click selection tool and let's press M, select this max 1, copy, and select this head layer, go to solo and Ctrl V for paste. And let's press M, open mask and click inverted. So let's unsolo these two layers and select this head. Let's move to up to body. And let's see. Okay, fix it. So select this head and head 2. Let's unlink to body. And select body, moved up. Okay, very nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.